click on Configure located on the navigation bar. First, choose from the 18 different colors and then click Browse Files. When you open the image desired, a crop box will appear. Place the crop box over the image and click Upload Picture. Your image will appear here for a preview of what your band will look like. Lastly, click on the Save icon. Once you receive your complete kit, which includes 1 wristband, 2 waterproof photo sheets, and instructions, go to your saved PDF files and locate your picture. Insert the recommended paper included in your kit into your printer. You may need to change your printer settings to accommodate the 4x6 paper, and then click Print. When you print, you will get 4 of the same prints just like this. Cut out your picture or logo and insert it into your band. Now you're ready to go. The Kodak paper is waterproof, but it's recommended to keep it as dry as possible. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Isn't it time your reason is heard?